This tutorial will show you how to clear Safari browsing history online completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.
If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so to clear your browsing history on Safari, in this case I have an iPhone. First step is you want to type in this here on the screen, settings, and then click to access settings. And as you scroll up on the screen, you'll notice you have a search bar. And if you type in Safari and you click on the Safari app, notice that as you scroll down now, you have a couple different options right here, which is under check for Apple Play, and above share across devices, clear history, and website data. And basically, if we were to go to Safari, and if I were to pull up Safari and the app loads, we can see we just have one tab or one website, and we want to clear our browsing history. So again, go under to settings, and then again, if you don't see this option, it's below check for Apple Play, share across devices, clear history, and website data. And basically, you'll just say that this will remove your history, cookies, and other browsing data. And if you're happy and satisfied, click clear history and then data. And then it says, do you want to keep the tabs or close the tabs? If you want to keep the tabs, you can click the second option. As you can see now, if we go back to Safari, we still have our original tab or website completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.